Everybody, Chad and Scotty with the Knowles Woolsey team. Remax Hallmark J. Welcome to 119 Blake Street in the beautiful city of Barrie. We are on one of the most recognizable streets of Blake Street, downtown. The water is so close, I think you can smell it.
That's right, guys. Everybody absolutely knows and loves this neighborhood. Now, why is that? Blake Street is filled with absolutely iconic homes, massive lot sizes, incredible mature trees, and each home is unique and different, exudes character and charm. And today's listing is absolutely fitting the bill in that criteria. We've got an incredible raised bungalow for you, unlike any you've seen, with an incredible addition over the garage. Now let's head inside and we'll take you for a tour. If you're anything like me, you're a sucker for an all-white kitchen, and this one's absolutely stunning. They opened up this floor plan and did this gorgeous kitchen renovation just a few years back. Quartz countertops with a gorgeous island, great for entertaining. You got a stainless steel appliance package, undermount sinks, plus a ton of natural light as you're surrounded by windows in this house.
Such a great large living space, from hardwood floors to crown molding. You have a nice harvest table here with views of the water, or you could even use it for a living room or a family room.
The magic of this home is the addition over the garage space. You've created an incredible primary wing. You've got gorgeous architectural details with the vaulted ceiling, pot lights, and a ton of natural light. This huge walk-in closet, whether you're his or hers, you're gonna absolutely love that. Not to mention the dream ensuite we know you're looking for. Massive glass walk-in shower, double sinks, and incredible views.
Now those are all great, but if you're looking for a little bit of peace of quiet, maybe a late night glass of wine or a coffee overlooking the water, this balcony is amazing.
No question the upstairs of this home is gorgeous, but the lower level doesn't disappoint either. It's a complete walkout, so we've got not one, but two exits into your rear yard. You got a ton of natural light, which you almost never find in the basement. Not to mention the finish level is on point. We've got a gas fireplace, wood flooring, incredible ceiling details, not one, but two more bedrooms and a full bath. All right, Chad, I'm out in the backyard, but where are you?
Scotty, it's easy to get lost over here with over 85 feet of frontage, multiple living spaces out here, an ultimate play structure for the kids, your own elevator to bring up the snacks, and an oversized shed. What more do you want?
And the cherry on top is you've got incredible privacy in this rear yard here. Not only are the trees incredibly mature, but you got a number of different species which adds a ton of character. You simply just don't find lots like this anymore.
Like we mentioned before, one street over, you're literally at Barrie's waterfront. Whether it's running, biking, walking, or anything to do with the waterfront, this is absolute paradise down here.
That's right, this neighborhood's absolutely incredible. Not only is the waterfront unbeatable, but you're flanked by not one, but two parks within walking distance the kids are gonna love. You got Johnson's Beach on the other end, plus walking distance into downtown and some of the best restaurants in the entire city. This is the location you've been waiting for.
For more information on this listing and more like, visit our website.